Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a one sample binomial test using Microsoft Excel and my own stikpetE add-in. The add-in is available from my GitHub account. You can install it by downloading it from there, then opening Excel, then go for File, Options, Add-ins and Go. Click on Browse and install the add-in. I have a separate video on how you can actually perform this test without any add-ins, so I'll leave that for you to find there. But this one focuses on how to perform this test with the add-in. The add-in has a function called TS binomial OS, so test TS binomial and OS for one sample. So we have some data here where people could choose between two options, and you might have noticed that some people skipped this question, and we would like to know if there's a significantly difference in if choice 1 or 2 was more often chosen than the other. Now we can simply run this by selecting the data as our first parameter. Make sure not to use the entire column and a specific range, and then just hit enter and it gives us immediately the p-value. This is using the equal distance methods, which actually doesn't really matter if the assumption about the population is that it's 50-50, which is the default. You can change that by changing the p0 parameter. If you have more than two options in your data and you want to highlight two only, you can use the codes and then simply add which two codes you want. And indeed you can choose between equal distance methods, doubling or small p. On my companion website, peterstatistics.com, you can find some more information about what the difference is between these three. And that's how simple you can perform a one sample binomial test. If the p-value is below 0.05, that usually is then sufficient to claim that there is a significant difference between the two options and how often they were chosen in the population as well. If you want to see like a frequency table of this, I have a separate video on how to do that with the stikpetE library. Alright, that was it. Hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.